Welcome to 5M Gadget channel. Today I'm unboxing and first look the Xiaomi Mi Watch, Xiaomi's first all-in-one smartwatch, Smart Plus Fitbit. See guys, box very length box, one full hand size. Wow, it's incredible. Okay guys, first unboxing, box backside, some main specs here. Mi Watch highlights, eSIM and speaker support and heart monitor sensor, and more. Box front side watch photo printed, black color box. Okay, don't waste your time, let's open the box. Inside the box, front side watch here, also watch and wear attached. Okay, Mi Watch look like same Apple Watch, but smaller and smart. I like it. Later look depth, put the watch side, more main box inside, one paperwork here, it's using guide, how to use, and eSIM information, and charging MDTC, more main box inside, charging dock, charging adapter here, it's same Mi Band 4 type adapter, last plug here, it's US version plug. Let's look watch, overview, watch backside, heart monitor sensor, and charging pin here. See guys, it's light pump here on heart monitor sensor backside, watch right side back rotate button here and microphone, left side speaker, and first microphone here. Mi Watch features a 1.78-inch AMOLED display, 368 x 448 pixels, with 326.5. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 3100 SoC and support dual SIM cellular connectivity via eSIM. The smartwatch also includes Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth, NFC support, and 570 mAh battery. The company claims it will last up to 36 hours on a single charge. On the software front, Xiaomi has used a version of its MIUI operating system that has been tweaked for the smartwatches. Dubbed as MIUI for Watch, it includes components from Google's Wear OS. MIUI for Watch includes support for downloadable apps, App Store, a watch face market, dark mode, and support for custom watch faces. Xiaomi has also included its own voice assistant in the Mi Watch to control smart home devices, and other functions. Xiaomi Mi Smartwatch eSIM calling function. What's eSIM and eSIM? One phone number dual terminal ? eSIM activates a mobile plan without having to use a physical SIM card. That eSIM is stored digitally in your Xiaomi Mi smartwatch. In other words, with eSIM, you don't have to buy a physical SIM card alone, and you avoid tedious steps such as card replacement. The previous introduction to SIM-C. Xiaomi smartwatch, which phone number is used in the smartwatch? There are two ways.
好，我们拨打一下，看一下这个。好，看到了吗？啊，手表也拨打了，手机也拨打了，手表也拨打了。我们来听一下这个通话质量怎么样啊？在这边左边的这个麦克风。喂，你好。
喂，你好。
听得到我说话吗？
听得到你说话。
我在测试这个手表打电话呢。
好的。
小米手表。
那你可真棒。
必须的，这个声音好小啊。
你到底要不要我听它？
那个，你把那个撤回吧，好吧？
我撤回了。
好嘞。好，我来挂你电话啊，我挂你电话，拜拜。好，这就是小米手表一个打电话的测试，你们觉得怎么样啊？10分满分，你打几分？下期。